Hey guys, how's it going? How to create multiple language videos. So go ahead and use InVideo or InVideo AI or ai.invideo.io. Okay, and log in using your account and basically give a topic, premise, and detailed instructions in any language. So you don't need to do any fancy stuff. You don't need to change the language afterwards after you generate the video. No, just add your script using your own language. So in my case, my native language is Arabic, right? So I'm gonna just type a short topic about health in Arabic, right? So I'm typing this so you can understand. Right? Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just copy the script or this text, right? And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and paste it, right? And then hit right here the forwarding button so they can create the video. So it's gonna take a while, so just walk through the steps and then you're gonna be able to see the final results and you're gonna be able to share it or download it for free. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Catch you the next time.